A promise kept. Jack and his best friend, Leo, made a promise when they were children to climb the town's highest hill and watch the sunrise together. As they grew older, life took them on different paths. Jack became a busy doctor, while Leo traveled the world as a photographer. Years passed, and the promise was forgotten until one day Jack received a letter. It was from Leo, saying he'd be back in town and asking if Jack remembered their childhood promise. Early one morning, Jack and Leo met at the foot of the hill. They climbed together, laughing and sharing stories like old times. As the first rays of the sun painted the sky, they felt a deep sense of fulfillment. Lesson: true friendships withstand the test of time, and promises made from the heart are worth keeping.